Hi, this is Lee Garrett and welcome to another weekly tip video. We're back on the Apple Intelligence train today as we take a look at two of the image-related features that have now landed in iOS 18.2 and iPadOS 18.2. So Image Playground allows you to create caricatures or illustrations from a description, a photo, or indeed an image of someone. And then Genmoji allows you to create your own emojis that can be used in messages, text, and as stickers as well when you tap back within a message. Now, there are some requirements for using this. You do need an iPhone 15 Pro or Pro Max, or any phone in the iPhone 16 range to make use of Apple Intelligence features. And if you're using an iPad, then you need a model with an M1 processor or later, or the iPad mini, which has the A17 Pro. Now let's take a look at these features in action. So the first one that we're going to look at is Image Playground. And it's fair to say that it has been a little bit divisive on launch. However, I will show you how to use it, and then you can gauge your own opinions as to whether it's something you're going to use moving forward. Now, this is the icon for Image Playground, so I'll tap. And there are a few ways that you can create an image from here. So firstly, you can describe one. So we'll do just that. Let's see if we can create a small dog on a surfboard. Okay, Apple Intelligence is doing its thing, and we have the first result there. And the good thing with all of the image features in Apple Intelligence is that it creates a number of options for you to choose from. And they all look quite similar, but they look okay. And I could, of course, have been a little bit more descriptive, perhaps asking for a certain color of collar or a different dog color, perhaps. Now, if I continue to swipe, some more images will be made until I find the one that I like or want to use. Now we can add certain layers or elements to these images. So there are some suggestions down here. I'll tap this robot one. Then some new images will be created. And we can see the robot dog is there. And again, I can swipe to look at the different iterations here. And you can layer up even further. So let's put a beanie on him. And there we can see how that looks. And let's just do one last one. Let's put him in a desert, which is kind of a weird place for a surfboard, I know, but that's the result. And now if you can add layers, then of course you can take some away. So tap on the minus to remove, and the images are recreated. I'll tap again. And I'm going to remove the desert background this time. And now we have just a dog on a surfboard with a beanie. And there are several options for it there. Now we do have more suggestions for elements that you can add, of course. Just tap. And they're split into different sections. So we're in the themes section here. And if I tap right, there are a number of costume effects that I can add. If I tap again, there are some accessories that we can put in as well. And then finally, there's a variety of scenes. So let's pop him into a stadium here. It's creating some new options for me. I'm not going to look through them though. I think I'm quite happy with this one. I'm going to come up and tap on done. And then X in the corner, which takes me out to my library.
That's just a quick preview of one of this week's Apple-related tutorials from Screencasts Online. Screencasts Online is your premium source of Apple-related video tutorials. All of our members get access to brand new, up-to-date tutorials each week, as well as unlimited access to our entire video archive full of Mac and iOS-related tutorials. You can stream and download all of our videos on your Mac, iPad and iPhone, and even your Apple TV using the members-only Screencasts Online Apple TV app. Membership also includes a complimentary subscription to the digital Screencasts Online monthly magazine, published each month and packed with videos, articles, reviews, as well as hints and tips covering all aspects of the Mac, iPad, iPhone, and all of the other fantastic Apple products. So, if you're ready to start getting the most out of your Apple devices, visit screencastsonline.com today and become a Screencasts Online member.